Classic American vintage cars are a symbol of the country's rich automotive history. These cars have a unique design and style that still fascinates car enthusiasts. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 classic American vintage cars that have left a lasting impression on the automotive industry. But before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Let's get started. Number 10. Pontiac GTO 1967. The 1967 Pontiac GTO is a classic muscle car known for its beautiful design and powerful performance. With a wheelbase of 115.0 inches and a weight of 3,225 lb, it was equipped with a 400 SID V8 engine that produced 335 horsepower as standard, with an option for a 360 horsepower engine. The car featured striking body lines, a polished chain-link grille, and options such as power front disc brakes and a hood-mounted tack. In 1967, 81,122 GTOs were built, marking a slight decline from the previous year. Despite the dip in sales, the 1967 Pontiac GTO remains a symbol of American muscle car culture. Number 9. Cadillac Eldorado. The Cadillac Eldorado is a luxury car that was manufactured by Cadillac from 1952 until 2002, over 12 generations. The Eldorado was a special coupe and convertible style vehicle that debuted back in 1953 and lasted for 10 generations. The car was known for its impressive styling, with every section of the car having something going on, and its large size, with some models being over 18 feet long. The Eldorado was one of Cadillac's most versatile two-door models, with drivers being able to push the front seats forward to travel with up to 5 people at once. Number 8. Chevrolet Tri-5. The Tri-5 stands for full-size Chevrolet models built between 1955 and 1957, which combined iconic 50s styling with another American legend, the small-block V8 engine. Known from numerous movies and videos, Tri-5s were the first mid-century American cars to become popular with collectors, and they still are very sought after thanks to their perfect design and powerful engines. Number 7. Chevrolet Corvette. The first and the best true American sports car has debuted in 1953 and is still going strong with over 1 million made. Always with powerful engines, fiberglass body, and seductive styling, the Corvette was a dream car of many generations of car lovers in America and all over the world. Winner on the racetracks and on the streets and boulevards, Corvette is so popular that it has songs written and movies made about it. Number 6. Shelby GT500, 1967. The 1967 Shelby GT500 is a legendary muscle car that marked the beginning of a new era in American automotive history. It was the first car to feature a 428 CID engine with two 600 CFM Holley carburetors rated at 355 HP and 420 lb-ft of torques, paired with a choice of a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic. The GT500 also featured stiffer front springs, an upgraded anti-roll bar, and Gabriel shock absorbers. Number 5. Chrysler Airflow. The Chrysler Airflow is a concept car that was first announced in 2021 and debuted at CES in 2022. The car was thought to be close to production, with many iterations of the concept looking like production-ready models for Chrysler's first electric vehicle. However, the Airflow concept is reportedly dead after Chrysler CEO Chris Fuel pushed for a new, more modern design. Despite this, the Airflow is not entirely dead, as it is being redesigned and renamed for production, with the production vehicle evolving in a new direction. Number 4. Duesenberg J. In the 20s and the 30s, There were lots of luxury brands on both sides of the ocean, and then there was Duesenberg as the greatest of them all. With build quality that was second to none, fantastic styling, and unbelievable power, Duesenberg J was achieving new heights of the industry while America was falling into the Great Depression. Number 3. Ford Model T. Over 100 years old, Model T is arguably the most important car in automotive history. It revolutionized the industry and manufacturing process and literally put the world on wheels. With over 15 million made, there is still a lot of them around, and it is the best choice for someone who wants a car that started it all. It is collection. Ford Model T is an iconic vehicle in every aspect, and its many variants give a broad choice for every enthusiast. Number 2. Tucker Torpedo. The greatest what-if story in motoring history. On one side, there was a brave and innovative Tucker, and on the other, there were Detroit's Big Three, which felt very threatened by the fantastic new car. Unfortunately, Tucker lost the battle against the much stronger enemy, but America got one of its biggest automotive legends, which stands up to this day. Number 1. Ford Mustang, 1964. The 1964 Ford Mustang, often referred to as the 1964 1.5 model, was introduced on April 17, 1964, at the New York World's Fair. It was a groundbreaking car that created the pony car class and became an instant classic. The Mustang was designed to be affordable, with a base price of $2,368, and offered a range of options and accessories for customization. It was a commercial success, with 22,000 units sold on the first day and over 418,000 units sold by its first anniversary. The Mustang's innovative design, performance, and broad appeal have cemented its place in automotive history. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 classic American vintage cars. These timeless vehicles have not only shaped the automotive industry, but have also become a cultural phenomenon. Whether you're a classic car connoisseur or just appreciate the artistry of these machines, there's something magical about the way these cars transport us to a bygone era. If you enjoyed this trip through automotive history, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future ride through the world of cars. Keep cruising, stay safe, and may your roads be filled with classic American vintage charm. See you in the next video.